Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you about my CP journey. So before I want to talk to you anything, I'll show you my earning report in adworkmedia and cpagrip. After I tell you others the three questions I put here. So before I start, I'll show you my earning report on adworkmedia and cpagrip. Okay, as you can see, I'm going here adworkmedia.com. Okay, I put here my email address FARUK. Okay, and my password. I put enter, and another tab I am going to open cpagrip. Here also I put my email address, password, as you can see here. Yesterday also I got 21 lead, and this month, today is the date of 6, I got already $207 in my account. Okay, today I haven't started yet, only just view. Okay, I show you my total. Guys, as you can see, here is my report. I again show you my email address is here, faruka69 at yahoo.com, and here's my last payment, total 1145. I got on December date of 12, and here as you can see, my today earning haven't started yet. Today I haven't proceeded anything, and yesterday I got total 96 click, 14 lead. I got total 28.70. This month I got today is the date of 6. I got already $159, and last month also I got total $1,678. Okay, so I can show you all the payment report also. Then you can see all as you can see here my the report adworkmedia. Last time I got paid. You can see here I start very little only. First time I got the payment only $54. Second time I got 35. Here's the mistake. I cannot point out what's the mistake. Why I cannot earn money more, because I have so many problems there. So after I analyze some report, something, after I get new idea, then only I become. First time I make 936 1 month. Then I feel very encouraged to work. And second month I got 1241. Third month I got 1145, and last month also I got nearly 1200. And you can see now my working procedure. Current balance also I should have the 159. Total my paid earning here, lifetime earning here. Okay, so here's the things I want to show you. Okay guys, and here I can show you my general details also, my company, my name. As you can see, my email address faruka69 at yahoo.com. Here my Skype name also, and my phone number. Okay, so this is the thing I want to show you guys. Okay, so we go for next topic, how I started CPA. Really, believe me, when I start CPA, I don't know so many things. I'm working on CPA lead, and nobody teach me to making account on adworkmedia or cpagrip. How to make cpagrip and adworkmedia, I don't know that time. Okay, so that time I was started CPA is very beginner, and I don't know how to start CPA very good, very well. And who understand, they also don't want to teach me. After I analysis all the procedure, how become a good CPA marketer. Then 1 day, 2 day, 1 month, 2 month, third month I see my success report, as you can see before my adworkmedia report. Then I make account in adworkmedia and cpagrip. After I analyze the adworkmedia marketing method, cpagrip marketing method, all everything, all the everything I do on free marketing. And I show you today what's my traffic method. Here I will show you the paid and free both traffic also, both method also. So first I show you the what's my main traffic method. When I started Cpa as a beginner, that time people show me how to promote in Facebook, how to promote in Twitter, and how to promote in Instagram, etc, etc. But I cannot make money for all of this, and I got what's the result 1 month after. I got 5 my Facebook account banned, and 5 my Twitter account got banned. I cannot return back the account, cannot recover also. So whatever I think, when I put a post on Facebook, maybe it's around 5 minutes or 10 minutes, you can see the top level on it. After 1 hour you cannot find out it also, because so many people posting. Okay, that's why I hate the social media free marketing. Yeah, you can do paid marketing here, the Facebook and the Twitter, you can do paid marketing, but paid marketing as a free marketer, I don't want to say you first time paid marketing. I show you the free method. As we all know about the YouTube, today I show you one calculation. Okay, I show you some offer on CPA. People thinking how to promote offer on CPA offer on YouTube. It's very simple, it's very easy. I show you some example on it. As you can, I write down one offer named Amazon gift card. Okay guys, you can see here, this video became 2 weeks ago. Here have the the 17,596 view. Okay, this video who want to see, who need the Amazon gift card code, he only search on YouTube, he only see your video. You no need to find out the customer will be find out you, traffic will be find out you. You no need to go traffic side or social media, Facebook. Oh yeah, here's a good offer, here's the nice offer. Oh, people all are block you, they're thinking you're spamming. Okay, but on YouTube you no need to invite someone to come and see my videos. You no need to talk to anybody. Here the my offer videos, no need. They only search YouTube and they can find your video, and they will see the things. After they will automatically generate to your CPA offer. Okay, as you can see, 2 weeks before this video became a 70,596 view. Okay, so how many of viewers they get the already take the offer of CPA offer, already they generate on CPA offer? Maybe I can tell you there's more than 50%. Okay, but as an example, I tell you not 50%, I tell you only 10%. 10% how much? You can see 17,000, 10% around round figure became the 1,759 like that. Maybe I can tell you 1,700 maybe. So 1,700 people converted, only 10%. I remove the 90%. Only 10% people if generate my CPA offer. Then what's the benefit of this video? You can see only 2 weeks I got 1,700 lead. That means one lead became 1.75 to 1.80 dollar. So that as I need a calculator, I cannot tell you like that. $1,700 into 1.75. I read on 75. Oh, this video give you only 2 weeks $2,975. Yeah, it's too much, This is the thing I want to share with you. This is the thing. Look like 5 video you have on YouTube. You no need to do anything, no need to run any campaign, no need to do any Facebook promotion, any social media promotion, no need to Bing campaign, no need to Google campaign, anything, no need. Just make sure you have 5 video on YouTube on ranking, on first page, people searching that find your videos. This is enough for you. I tell you, this is enough. Not only for you, this is enough for everybody. Okay. Look like so many offer on here. As you can see, the Pokemon Go coins. See, look. Oh, 6 months ago, 3,45,000. 2 months, 1,36,000. Oh, so guys, this is the thing I want to share with you. And you can do here paid method also, paid traffic also you get from YouTube very cheap. As you know or not, I don't know. For YouTube you get traffic very cheap. You go Google AdWords, you go Bing, there are a lot of money you need to run a campaign, but on YouTube it's very cheap, I tell you. And that's why I like to generate traffic from YouTube, free and paid method. You no need to run any campaign on Bing, any campaign on Google AdWords, or any campaign on Facebook ad campaign, no need. Okay, so that's why I tell you how you can start this. If you really want to start this, if you really want to get my method, and on this method I will show you how you create an account on CPA networks, how you make select a good offer, how you make a landing page, a better landing page, how do you create for free, and how you promote your offer on YouTube free and paid both, and how you making rank of your videos. Maybe 1 week you target, 1 week I make 1 video on top, enough. So this is the tips and tricks my side. I will show you how do you customize your YouTube channel, how you make rank on your videos very easily. All the things I will give you. You look at description. Here you can order my my tips and tricks I will share with you. You just go there and see my details, what I teach you. Okay guys. This is today is enough. I hope I will see you on my another profile description. I give you the link on description. Okay, thank you.